Hello, my art peepers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is Artist Bhavna. So today we are going to see the most important and the really worth watching video. Okay, so this is on Bristol paper. Yeah, you're right. It is Strathmore Bristol paper. So this is my dream paper and I'm working on it. So this paper is so fabulous and it is really satisfying to work on this paper. So you can see like fingers on the artwork, right? So this fingers I did for 6 hours. So seriously, it took 6 hours for good shading and giving those tones. So when talking about fingers, it is most important process and you need to definitely work on the uh, exact tones. So some area will be like dark black and some area will be like light gray, and you need to balance those tones in order to look like real fingers. And as we are working on super realistic artwork, that means hyper realistic artwork, you need to concentrate on each and every process. So yeah, talking about my artwork and my experience on this Strathmore Bristol sheet, this is perfect quality sheet of 270 GSM. That is good thick paper, and you can work like on plenty details. You can really erase many times. You can give all the highlights, shadows, shapes, and whatever you want you can do. The best thing about this paper is you can really enjoy working for the smooth tones. And the second point is the prints will not come on the next paper. So when paper quality is really thin, you can see like before paper prints on the other paper, so that effect you can see. But this paper is like really thick like cardboard, and I really loved this paper. And after working on this paper, I'm really like, I don't want to work on other papers, but it's not like that. You need to experiment all, and you can't find like only working on one. See, I worked on Brewster Bristol paper, and I thought that was the best paper in the universe. But after working on like Strathmore Bristol paper, this is like huge and the grand and like best paper in the galaxy, I can say. So this is everything from your experiment and all. So just now I showed like this black region um, outside the nail part. Okay, so the outer region of the nail will be like black, like something shadows you can see, right? So mostly we'll find this black region, and everything you can observe like on your body and you can do. So realistic observation is so important, so make sure you can observe it. And if you're watching my video for the first time on this channel, make sure you're subscribing my channel and support me for like beautiful artworks. Okay, so really this channel plays a crucial role in enhancing your art skills, so make sure you are following it. And learning from real time video is so important and good. You really can't find like complete real time videos on internet, so you may find like 2 to 3% out of 100%. But yeah, in that 2 to 3%, my channel is one. Okay, so make sure you are supporting me. And you can see right here I'm using like medium thickness blending stump, and this is from like, you can purchase of any brand blending stump because every brand will be same and that doesn't have any much difference. So go for any brand. Okay, so here you can see every tool I'm showing here. I'll show for the camera if you can't see properly, but this is the Kohinoor pencil eraser. and this will play crucial role. And yeah, if you really want to try the erasers, first try the pencil eraser, then we can go for the Tombow Mono Zero eraser and electric eraser, so on. Okay, so here we are drawing this tiny little ring on her finger. So I just want to mention one thing is, this is of 10 by 13 centimeters artwork. Yes, the page is really somewhat big, but I'm just drawing in the center of the page, and you can see like I covered like horizontal direction, and there is some space left over. But yeah, exactly speaking, it is like 14.5 centimeters into 21 or 20.5 centimeters, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, in that space I'm just using 10 into 13.5 centimeters. This is really so small, and yeah, giving details on this small artwork is really breathtaking. And the time you invest in this is like, everything is so important because the details are so good. And if you are really working on good thick quality paper, try to invest more time, because you are investing in thick quality papers because you want to draw details. Yes, right? So please don't waste that paper and try to provide more details. So push yourself to provide realistic outputs. So art is nothing but providing realism. Okay, so try to improve yourself. Like, you need to definitely see improvement from one art to other artwork. So that is most important learning you need to see. So you can observe my artworks like from starting, that means from 1 year. So I didn't started from 1 year only. Yeah, I started my YouTube channel before 1 year, and you can see my enhancement. So each and every video is like really new beginning to me, and you can see many details and like good enhancement. So I'm improving your skills as well as I'm improving my skills. That is most important, like two-way benefit. Okay, so whatever you are doing for the world, you need to get benefited from that. Okay, so you are not providing everything for free. Yes, you should also benefit from that. I hope you are understanding. And my favorite choice of pencil is Staedtler brand pencil, and I didn't use Faber Castell because I'm really satisfied with the Staedtler. But one day I definitely will try that Faber Castell also. Okay, so we have Derwent, we have Tombow Mono pencils. We have many brands, out of which Staedtler is like most hyped pencils. Okay, so you can see the repetitive process, but make sure you need to observe carefully here. So you think like, what will I get from watching this video? So that is really wrong way, because every artist will have different technique to deal with. So yeah, everything you must know. So that knowing is really important, and we are really giving like those texture on the finger, that means the lines and all, using F pencil. So see here, I'm using the light grade pencil, and I'm just slowly increasing my grades, so that if any changes also I can do without any headache. So that is most important thing, because if you are using the dark grade pencil, um, you are really ruining your artwork. Okay, so if you want to erase the dark grade, you need to erase completely. You need to apply force, and like below layers of graphite will be lost, and this is like big headache. So make sure you are going slowly, and you are just expecting the good results. So just trust the process and make sure you are following the reference image. So don't draw from the imagination. So this will be the complete process of making the fingers, and yeah, we are done. So we are just going for like hair and the uh, cloth on her hair. So this is like half covered with cloth or like scarf or anything else. So this is half covered and the half region is hair. So first, I don't want to like directly apply the pencil strokes and all. First, I'm just blending all over the cloth, and then I'll just go for the pencils, and I can do it like later. So I'm just covering it. So we are almost done, and now we are using 2B and we'll just cover it. Here nothing I'm doing, I'm just shading and I'm just blending. So I'll just speed up the process so that you can enjoy the complete video. So here what we are doing is using one grid and just blending using tissue paper, and the darkest region you need to identify and you need to apply in this way. So the next process is to get the blurry effect and dull look. So if you want to avoid the shine of graphite, you need to do in this way. So apply like 5 to 6B or 4B grade below, that means the second or third layer, and then just I'm extracting the powder from 6B grade pencil. So in this way on sandpaper you can erase it. So leftover leftover powder I'm just applying on it. Okay, so using the makeup brush, dip your brush in the powder and just go on the darkest region, and that will really give you like a dull and blurry graphite. So this will avoid the graphite shine. So this is the most important technique to uh, decrease the shine of the graphite. Okay, so that is some people will really ask, and some people were really worried about the graphite shine, and they really don't like graphite because of its shining property, and this will be like good tip for them. So please make sure you are trying it and just share your feedback below so that it will help for others. If you are following my channel and my videos will be not plain, and they will not be like just I need to share this, just I need to draw this. No, it is not at all like that. I'll definitely include one or two tips in my video that is most helpful tips, and you need to definitely follow them. So that's why I will ask people to not to skip my video in between where I'll see the tip you don't know, and that tip will be like life changing tip and you can implement directly without any second thought. Here we are dealing with the hair part. So hair is falling on her face. How beautiful this and how gorgeous face she's having. I need to definitely talk about her attractive eyes, lips and nose. So I can't take my eyes on her. She's so gorgeous. And here again I want to share a quick tip. Before directly drawing hair, try to use blending stump and blend the area where you want to draw hair. This will really improve your hair drawing skills, and this will show the realistic look while you are drawing. So you can see right before I just added one layer using the blending stump. I just blended lightly. That doesn't matter, but you need to blend properly. So lightly, it is more than enough, and do try this technique. So just blending and applying whatever grades you want on above it. So yeah, oh, this is full of tips, and it is just 15 minutes and you got many tips, and you are so lucky. And this video is so important, and if you really love this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon, and that is the most important element. So bell icon will bring my videos to you without any efforts. So please make sure you are just tapping on the bell icon for every video. Okay, I hope you will get it. And thank you so much for watching, and stay connected, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy learning. And artist Bhavna signing off for today. So this is all about the today's video. Next video will be my most satisfying video and how to make jewelry. So jewel is really so important, and shading and doing that is so toughest thing on the universe. Yeah. Okay, so next video will be on jewelry. So yeah, make sure you are watching it and stay safe. Okay, so bye bye and happy learning.